Hey, welcome back, tool aficionados from around the world. This time around, I had another family member coming back from Japan, and just want to show off some of the items, well, everything that I purchased from this purchase, online tool purchase, from a store called Factory Gear. The right place, the best tools, according to them. This is not a paid advertisement. This is what I paid, roughly $180 US. So let's move on with our first item. It is a KTC Low Profile Adapter. So it's a quarter on this end, 3/8 on that end. The sockets are held on by this neodymium magnet. So obviously might not work too well on a heavy, deep socket like a 22mm or something like that. But this thing has a through hole right there, and that accepts the ball on the ratchet, so that effectively holds the adapter in place. This is shaped to aid in using it like a thumbnail ratchet. Nice grippy profile. So this is how you would use this. So I use the 3/8 to half adapter, same design. I use that at work pretty frequently. Next is this KTC 1/4 inch drive, 10mm 12-point socket. Nothing special there. Moving on with another KTC item. This is from their Pro Fit series. Obviously this comes with a bent head. That is what makes the Pro Fit series is unique. Maybe I should showcase the Pro Fit line sometime in the future. I also got myself a Hazet brake bleeder wrench. So not everything I buy is of Japanese origin. I work on German cars for a living, and I just thought this one might help in making my job a little easier in bleeding some of those brakes that have bleeder nipples in really recessed locations. I hope this will work out. So from the Factory Gear house brand called Deen tools, I got these two items here. They're both adapters, and I'm just going to show you how they work. So this accepts any 13mm wrench or socket. Just going to demonstrate it with a 13mm ratcheting wrench. So you can basically convert a ratcheting wrench into a ratchet that will accept any 3/8 drive socket or extension or whatnot. So this is a wobble-fix type design. So any Koken fans out there, you probably recognize this exact profile to be pretty much identical to the Koken version. I don't think this is made in Japan, just based on the finish, and obviously it's not included in their lineup. So the wobble-fix or the wobble plus design, this profile is patented by Koken. So any manufacturer out there making a profile like this is basically purchasing the rights to manufacture it like so. Yeah, so I'm currently coming up with a roadbox, like a track day toolkit, and this is something that I thought I would take with me, sort of like a versatile tool. I can minimize the total number of weight that I need to carry with me. I just think that this might be a versatile tool. A good addition to my kit. So this is the other one. This is a 10 mil hex, so I can use any 10 mil wrench or ratcheting wrench, and basically insert a socket and bit into there, and make it into a bit socket. So that's just an example of a Robertson, but whatever you can think, whatever bit can go in there, you can use it. So that's that from Deen. Let's move on with some pliers. Starting with this one from Engineer. You might be familiar with the overall design of the grips. If you're in North America, Vampliers is a brand that Engineer rebrands. So this is, however, a little different. The grips are different. Obviously the color combination is different. It's not the red or the typical green that you see from Engineer brand. It's sort of like a moss green, and then it's coupled with this black finish, this phosphate finish. This is a limited edition. It's actually Japan's Self-Defense Force specification. So it's spec'd for that, and I guess it has been released to the public. I assume that's the case here. So let's look at some of the features. Starting with the handle end here, through hole to provide for whatever safety harness or clip that you might need. So the through hole is not through only the elastomer grip, it goes right through the handle, so that's reassuring. Next is on the cutting, at the end of the cutting tip there's actually a place for you to cut off the sheathing on some wiring. I guess this is spec'd for the Japan Self-Defense Force telecommunication wire. So may not be, I don't know what the equivalent is over here for that. But in any case, moving on with the next feature, the intermeshing teeth. That's built into this plier, which is not featured in the Nigisaurus GT. So that is sort of like a combo plier. And last but not least, you got the screw remover. Sorry, the screw remover jaw profile. Might be a little bit hard to see there, but it works on truss head screws as well. Looking at the back here, we got Rockwell hardness on the cutting edge and jaws to be 60 plus minus 2. This one's made in Japan. So that is that. The Anex trim clip remover pliers, I featured this in a previous video. I'll leave the link up here for that one. This is just the smaller size that I got to add to my lineup.